Hello students, we are doing chapter 12 plant world and now we are going to start with page number 92 parts of a plant. These are given here parts of plant. First of all, this is root. Root grows below the soil. These are the roots. Then this is stem. Stem grows above the soil and these are the different parts of the stem. This is bud, leaf, fruit and flower. All these are the parts of plants and the parts of a stem. Let's study about these. A plant has many parts. The root grows below the soil. Yes, children, the root, you can see the brown, this is mud, and the root is going to grow in the soil only, and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. What is the work of the root? That it absorbs the mineral and soil from minerals and water from the soil. And the stem grows above the soil. See, this is a stem and it is going to grow above the soil, and it has many branches. See the branches of the stem: leaf, fruit, flower and bud. All these are the branches of the stem. You know, children, leaves make food for the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. Yes, the leaf only makes the food for the plant and with the help of air, water and sunlight. And a bud blooms into a flower. Yes, this is a bud like a small flower and it grows into a flower. A flower grows into a fruit which has seeds inside it. Yes, when the flower grows and it is having a seeds inside it, then a seed grows into a plant. The seeds which are having inside the fruit, that will grow again into the new plant. And here these are the, see, this is picture. Roots grow below the soil. Next, water keeps it moist. Sunlight gives it warmth. Seed grow into a plant. This is the process of growing the plant. First of all, roots grow. We grow the roots into the soil. Then we give the daily water to the plant, and with the help of water the plant keeps moist. After that, sunlight gives it warmth. Yes, with the help of sunlight the plant is growing slowly, and gradually the seed grows into a plant. So this is the process of growing the plant. Next are plant modifications. Plants modify to perform some special functions other than their normal ones. For example, roots. The part of a plant that grows below the soil is called root. They hold plants firmly to soil. Some roots also store food and water. They are called storage roots. We eat these roots, for example, carrot, radish and beetroot, etc. Yes, we already read that the roots grow below the soil. And what do? They hold the soil, plant and soil firmly, and after that some roots also store some food and water. The plants, they get the food from the roots and they are called the storage roots. You know, we are eating some of the roots as a vegetable. What are these? These are carrot, radish and beetroot. Next is stem. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called stem. Some underground stems like potato, onion and ginger store food in their stems. Cactus plant stores water in its stems. Yes, the part of a plant The part of a plant that grows above the soil, it is called the stem, that you already read in the part of the plants. And there are some underground stems. These are potato, onion and ginger. What do? They store the food in their stems. And cactus plant also store water inside the stem. So now it is your homework that you go through up to here and revise this. We will meet in the next video. By that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.